Hello everybody and welcome to the fun phase in the color block method course. So this is where you're going to combine start positions in the same color block. So you just learned how to play a color block, for example the red one. And then your next move is going to play exactly the same pattern from a different starting position. So if you just play C red, you can also play F red. It's exactly the same pattern with exactly the same intervals, with exactly the same distances in between the notes. But what you can forget all of that. You can remember only one thing. Your pinky moves to a new tone, to a new note, new key, and then you practice exactly the same block from there. So let's try to play C, F, C, F fast. But first I want to see how I actually play that in the instructional video. Okay, let's try that. Oh, that move is going a little bit fast, so I choose actually medium speed. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that goes well. So let's try fast again. Okay, maybe now I can actually play it. There we go. So when you feel like you have a little gap in between the color blocks, try to slow down, try to play a little bit slower, and then your brain has a little bit more time to get used to that gap and actually bridge that gap, because we don't want to hear that gap. So if you play and you hear this, then you need to slow down because there's a little gap in between. Also, very small gaps are already noticeable, so it needs to be like on the clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If there's a super tiny eeny meeny gap, you will notice it immediately. So let me try to demonstrate a very small gap. That needs improvement. So let's do it correctly. That's the goal for this training. It should be fun, because eventually when you play without gaps, it is going to be a lot of fun and people will really enjoy how you play. All right. The next phase is going to be focus, where we develop your sound.